What's a conversion? What's a conversion rate? In this video, I explain what they are and why they're so important. Let's jump straight in. We constantly hear marketers talking about website conversions and conversion rates, but what actually is a conversion? Well, it's actually pretty simple. A conversion happens when a visitor to your website does something that you or your web designer wanted them to do. Ideally, this would be them buying something from you, or maybe signing up for a subscription, or even downloading an ebook in return for their email address. The conversion rate is the proportion of total visitors to your website who do that thing that you want them to do. So if 500 people visit your site and 15 of them buy your product, your sales conversion rate would be 15 divided by 500 times 100, which equals 3%. Your website conversion rate is arguably the most important thing for you to measure, as it's an ideal barometer of your company's profitability. It's scary the number of business owners who don't know what their sales conversion rate is. That is, what proportion of their overall website visitors go on and actually buy from them. Having knowledge of this simple metric can help you maintain control of your business's health. Analysing your conversion rates is a great way to identify where your business is having problems. It could be that your content isn't resonating with your visitors, or it could be that the user journey through your sales funnel is confusing. Be careful not to look at your conversion rates in isolation though. You'll need to bear in mind other metrics like bounce rate, exit rate, average session duration, and page views per session too. Lots of marketers focus on driving more and more traffic to their site to increase sales revenue and profits. However, they neglect the activities required to convert that traffic into leads and paying customers. A question I get asked probably more than any other is, what is a good conversion rate? There's no real straight answer to this, but it generally depends on context. If you only sold one product last year, and this year your conversion rate increases by 100%, you're still only selling 2 products. However, if you sold 5,000 products last year and your conversion rate goes up by 3% this year, you will have sold an additional 150 products. Some digital marketing experts say that as long as your conversion rate keeps going up, then that's all that matters. You also need to take into account any external factors when you're tracking conversion rates, such as changes in price, advertising campaigns, or seasonality, as these can all have an impact. Conversions are often split into macro conversions and micro conversions. Macro conversions are ones that have the biggest impact on revenue and tend to be at the end of the sales funnel. Micro conversions are smaller conversions that tend to happen nearer the top of the funnel and contribute towards the final macro conversion. I hope you now have a clearer picture of what a conversion and a conversion rate are and why they're so important. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button below and get regular tips on how you can boost your conversion rates and grow your digital marketing knowledge. See you next time.